Looking pretty cray per usual. Put back your hands too. Because you're just gonna go in there. I'm just gonna massage the top. Just stay here and massage. Make sure your tips or your fingers are folded. So 1, 2, 3. That's probably good for my nails I've been doing the sesame oil. I got a carrier oiled with the sesame oil, but since I've already been using the sesame oil, I don't know what it wants to do to my hair, so I'm gonna use olive oil. We're just gonna stick with that. Anytime I do a hair treatment, I'm gonna include you and run it together and see if it works. I have a lot of stuff that I have planned, so hey, what's up you guys? So I just washed my hair. I did that little castor oil with olive oil before I washed it, so I just did like a quick massage and then I washed my hair, and this is it. It's kind of full. Sorry, the bird game battle behind me. I mean, stop paying attention to my eyebrows. And my neighbor is out, so sorry for his barn background. So it's not that bad. I mean, when I was washing it, it kind of felt sensitive. Yeah. Whatever. But all my neighbors are out. Like all my neighbors. My son's playing video games, so it's really loud. It's like the only place to talk to you guys. And there's still people staring at me, so I just want to show you my hair.